Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a user account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in computer management. Best result should come back with computer management. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select local users and groups on the left side, and then double click on the users folder. Right click on whatever user account you want to delete and select the delete button. Remember, each user account has a unique identifier in addition to their username. Deleting a user account deletes this identifier and cannot be restored even if you create a new user account within an identical username. This can prevent the user from accessing resources they currently have permission to access. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this user? Select yes, and then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. And if you sign out and you scroll up the lock screen, you shouldn't see the option to sign into the other user account anymore. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.